Do you want to set up your trading strategy bots visually? Or go in depth with custom bots using Python code? Margin offers both and is now integrated with Probit Global. Margin developed the first ever dedicated crypto trading terminal back in 2014 with a vision to have a single interface for multiple exchanges. The interface features an organized display for users to gather trading data based on a comprehensive order book along with various order tracking and historical trading. Margin's visual trading incorporates additional drag and drop functions for Probit Global users to trade 1,048 current trading pairs. Strategies. Margin provides 5 key strategies alongside a custom Python code editor to enable traders to create and run their own trading bots. Strategies vary but can be categorized as limit or market order based. There is another video explaining limit orders and market orders. The following limit order strategies are supported: static ping-pong strategy, scale trading strategy, and margin maker. Margin supports these market order-based strategies: Bollinger Band strategy and EMA crossover strategy. To find out what characterizes these strategies, please refer to the in-depth article about Margin on Probit Global, link in description. Margin security features. Margin only stores half of a 2-part API key pair on their servers, which safeguards all user assets even in the event of a server breach or attack. Additionally, orders are executed directly through Exchange order books. How to set up Margin with Probit Global API. Log into your Probit Global account and click on My Page, API Management. Enter a name for your API key. Save your client ID and secret key and ensure that the withdrawal allowed option is unchecked. Be sure to save your secret key in a safe place as it will only be shown once. Click on the drop-down menu and select Probit Global as well as the desired currency pairs. Click on Demo to try out paper trading to familiarize yourself with a simulated trading environment and assets. Start Margin. Select Probit, click on Real Markets and paste the API keys that you have saved earlier. Don't forget to confirm the VIP level and to agree to the disclaimer before proceeding. Click Login and start your trading experience.